Hi all, welcome to Neutral Mind channel. Today we will discuss about RiseUp objects. What is the RiseUp in SAP? What is the useful for this? What is the functional consultant role? And what is the technical consultant role in RiseUp? Okay. First, I will explain you what is the RiseUp. In implementation of SAP, RiseUp is most important topics. Okay. In SAP, given lot of reports, forms forms and also sometimes these reports are first I will explain you what is R means reports, I means interface, C means C for conversion, E for enhancements, F for forms, W for workflow. First I will explain you about reports. What is why we are using reports? Already SAP given standard reports. Why we are using reports? SAP given VA05, VA05N, VF05, VF05N, okay, VF04. Lot of reports they have given XD99, MM60. These reports they have given. Sometimes user not satisfied with these options, that time they will ask you G reports. G in instance we will call as a Z reports. Okay, G reports. In the G reports, however they required, they will ask. Example, there is XD99 transaction code is there, customer master report, but while we are opening in XD99, it will show you in table level. That time we need to create G report. Okay, I will show you. We need to show G report. Customer will ask you G report. That purpose we need to prepare G report. What is functional consultant role in while preparing G report? Not only customer master invoice we will call as a sales register. There is invoice report is there VA05, VF05, VF051, but they have not satisfied because it will come net value and total tax only. So sometimes user ask you, we need each and every base price, all taxes, all discounts will come in report. It is not available in standard. That time we will go with G reports. Okay, that is XD99. Okay, that is the purpose of reports. See here, while we are going to XD9, it is going to table level. While we double click here, okay, while we click here, execute here, it will go to table level. Table level we are not giving authorization to customer. At the same time, one second, create session. At the same time, VF05N is there. We have lot of reports are there here. While executing, it will billing type, billing date, we will take last 2-3 months billings. Okay, today date, what is today date? Okay, this is if you want to execute open billing documents, it will come. Otherwise, if you want to display F5 posted documents, it will come. If you select both will come. I will show you reports. Here customer will not satisfied for this. You can check here whether there is any other finds are there. No, only these finds available here. What is that? Billing type, sold to party, fair, billing date, sales or distribution channel. Okay, billing category, billing document category. Okay, posting status, you created by, net value, currency and taxes. These only available here. Customer user want more about billing, that is we are calling as a sales register. We will do. What is our duty here? SD consultant need to gather total requirement from users. Okay, we will collect total requirement. Once we gather total requirement, we need to understand from them, we will gather total requirement. Okay, we will write functional specification and it will submit to developers. Sometimes we will upload in portal. Okay, end user raise a ticket for this. Okay, we will call them, we will get a total requirement, we will assign our functional specification to ABAP through ticketing tool. Sometimes normal small and medium projects, directly we will contact to development manager, they will assign developer is nothing but ABAP. Sometimes BW reports are there, these all are reports. Okay, that is SD consultant. What is technical consultant? Once we prepared functional specification, they will understand our functional specification, they will write coding. If they require any other inputs, they will ask us. Okay, once they after that, once they completed development, they will give us means functional consultant, they will give it to functional specification, functional consultant will test it and move it to quality to perform. Functional consultant test it in development testing server. Once it is working fine from his side, he will move it to quality through basis. After that, UAT, user acceptance testing done by user. Once they agreed, it will go to production. If they are not agreed, they need any other specifications or some points missing, again we will ask to developer, they can do it. That is the report process, that is the responsibilities of functional and technical consultants. That is the reports. Okay, if you want any reports related functional specification video, you can check my previous videos. There is one functional specification video available for sales register, one functional specification report available for customer master report. Okay, up to now I explained you reports. Next, interfaces. What is interfaces? Interfaces is nothing but a SAP system is connection with other technology system, other systems. Other system means, example, HR module is there is a lot of payrolls are there. Payroll purpose they can use some other E3, some other systems. That time whatever we have maintained, maintained in SAP from IDAC or any middle communicator, it will go to other modules. Sometimes some inputs are coming from there. Example, we are creating sales order, automatically it will update in other system. Okay, through IDAC. This is called interface. One system is communicated with SAP system, communicated with other system. Whatever we have entered here, same thing it will populate in other system through IDAC, some other things. Okay, example I will tell you, IDACs. Okay, ALE and EDI IDACs are there. Based on that is called interface. Okay, normally lot of things, almost all projects is having interfaces. If there is IDACs are there, IDACs level, our work is very less. We will check IDACs process. If there is any failed IDACs is there, we need to reprocess it. That is our sometimes whenever we are developing IDACs, that time partner purpose we need to create. I will explain you IDACs full class later, after 1 or 2 months. Okay, you can take. Interface is nothing but a communication between SAP system to other system, that is interfaces. Okay, conversion. What is conversion? Legacy system to SAP system, whatever we are converting data, that is called as a conversion. Example, while implementing SAP, we are uploading customer master, material master, condition master. Okay, if it is there, GL master, cost centers, through LSMW. That is called a, we are filling data in Excel sheet, we are converting it to Notepad. From Notepad text we are converting to text notepad, we are uploading to SAP, automatically it will create. That is conversion. And also transaction related, sales order, purchase order, or any FI entries, we need to upload through BDC, BDC or BAPI. Some other things also we will use it. BDC BAPI is nothing but a very standard functionality is there. Sometimes SD consultant will record it, sometimes developer will help you to record it. You will record it, they will give you one transaction code. There you can specify file, you can upload it, automatically it will create. If there is any error is there, it will show you. That means some configuration, some upload data you missed it. Okay, that is called conversion. Legacy system to SAP system, we are uploading data, that is conversion. We are converting legacy system data to SAP system. Okay, enhancements. E for enhancements. What is enhancements? SAP has given 90% solution. Sometimes we need to go with enhancements. Some additional data they require, which is not available in SAP system. That is called enhancement. We need to, here also we need to write function specification based on user requirement. Okay, function concern will gather total requirement from user. We will check whether it is sufficient in standard SAP without development. If there is development required in user exists level or functional module level or program level, any enhancements, anything we want to enter here, that is called enhancement. Example, while creating sales order, my user asked, this material is having 30 open sales orders and 300 open quantity. If there is any open sales orders which is not done delivery, pop-up need come, it is not available. Some pop-up message is available in standard SAP, some pop-up message we need to go with enhancements. That is called enhancement. And also in VA02 there is additional tab B is there, /n VA02 /n, this is transaction related. If you want to learn about what is /n, what is /o, already I done one video for transaction, these things you can learn there. I don't want to explain everything. Okay, in sales order level, header level and item level, both level, additional tab B tab is there. That is SAP given to enhance the required fields, that is called enhancements. We need to enhance there. Suppose our company AVR group company is there, we need to put there, we have PO date is there, PO end date we need to put. That means PO date to PO end date we need to do the orders or billings. After that system will not allow. That purpose we need to do these things, enhancements. I will show you header first. Additional tab B, here you can you can put n number of enhancements. Okay, you can create through G fields. Okay, also item level also this is available. See, additional tab B. Okay, lot of things are there. If you want to maintain here also you can do it, but additional tab B is specifically for enhancements. Okay, that is enhancements. Okay, here also we need to gather enhancements also. Functional consultant work is to get total information from end user. After that we need to prepare functional specification, we need to submit it to technical consultant. Once technical consultant done their coding, we need to test it. After that we will move it to quality through basis consultant. Okay, after that UAT is completed, it will move it to production. Once one more activity is there for technical. Once their coding is completed, they need to provide technical specification. As per FSD, TSD is there, technical specification document. Okay, they need to provide it. Forms. What is forms? What is forms? Forms while creating delivery or sales order or billing, we need to generate output form to send it to customer. Most probably we can use forms, we can develop forms for invoices. Sometimes customer, our user asked in delivery note also required along with invoice. Sometimes sales order output also we can do. Okay, there is BA00, RD00, LD00 standard output types are there. Here we will get it issue output. Once we will get it RD00, FI00 some. Okay, after that you can go to print preview, it will show. I have not configured here, it will not show. Okay, here in this forms, in this is IDAS system, they have given standard with IDAS without logo, they have given normal things. Based on our user requirement, they will give us layouts, they will give their company logo. After that they will give whatever required fields are there in SAP, required whatever fields required in this smart form, along with billing values, along with price values. Okay, this is called form. We need to develop it. Here also same thing, functional consultant gather requirement from user, they need to prepare functional specification. After that they need to provide it to technical consultant. Once they completed development, we need to test it. Once tested, we need to move it to quality for UAT. Once user UAT confirm, we will move it to production. While completed their coding, they can do TSD, technical specification document. Okay, TSD, FSD, TSD. FSD is functional specification, functional consultant will do. TSD is technical consultant will do. Okay, workflow. What is workflow? Workflow, most probably 50% companies not using workflow. Sometimes we can use workflow. What is workflow? Workflow is there is in SAP SD, there is status profile is there in sales order, anywhere. In this status profile, while we approve it, automatically it will trigger in workflow module. Workflow, there it will directly, this mail is going to the project manager, they need to approve there. That is workflow. I have not configured any workflow because I don't have workflow technical consultant available. Most probably some of as above consultant, they know workflow. Based on our requirement, user requirement, we will give a specification, functional specification to them. They will provide. Here in easy access screen, here workflow symbol is there. Click here, it will show you workflow options. Okay, that is workflow. Here it will show you which manager mailbox they required. Once they get mail, how they can approve. Once it is approved, automatically workflow to sales order status profile it will appear. There is 5 levels of approvals are there, 5 levels mailboxes they can configure in this workflow system. Okay, it is taking time, it is taking, this is called workflow. Okay, 1 second, wait. See here, inbox is there, outbox is there. Outbox means it is inbox means they are getting mails from SAP. Outbox means once they approved, this mail is going to other departments. Suppose there is project manager approval is required, delivery manager approval required, after that GM approval required. First project manager, they will get inbox level. Once they will approve, it will go to delivery manager. That time that mail is coming into outbox. Okay, here it will come, the workflow consultant will do here, that is workflow. Approval purpose, normally we can set approval process in our sales order header level only, through basis people help. If they required complete status approval process required in company, most probably big companies, they will go through workflow only, because this is clear documentation for approval. That purpose we are using workflow. Okay, that is called workflow. Friends, up to now I have explained what is RiseUp object, what is the functional consultant role and technical consultant role. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. To get more videos, please subscribe my channel Neutral Minds. Thank you.